Hey guys, today it's all about bread recipes. I've teamed up with the folks at Rustik Oven to create 3 brilliant recipes using the 3 varieties of bread that they make. We've got ultimate comfort in a decadent and creamy mushroom on toast dish, a deep, dark and smoky cowboy beans on toast, and if you've got a sweet tooth, you're gonna love this pan perdue with vanilla ricotta and berry compote. A serious brunch right there, but now it's time for something a little bit savoury. That is serious comfort food right there. And speaking of comfort food, this is one of my absolute favourites. Guys, for all the recipes from today's video, you can check out the box below and head over to the Rustik Oven website, linked in the box below, for all the details on the recipes and, of course, these beautiful breads. But for now, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you for more recipes soon.